When I started permanent makeup in 2017, I feel like the industry was still trying to figure everything out, even down to the machines. And that's where it can get confusing. In this video, I'm going to show you the machines that I've quite used and encountered to avoid any confusion. Now let's start with the first one. I had the wired and wireless version of this. I don't really know what to call this machine because it doesn't have a name. This kind of machine is made in China. It has different variations but the same. This was the kind of machine that a lot of popular trainers and artists would use and include in their kit and put their branding. It has a very specific kind of cartridge, and this cartridge only fits this machine. This cartridge is also not suited for any of the new machines in the market today. Here I have the specific cartridge for this machine and 3 universal cartridges that works with any machine today. As you can see here, none of these cartridges is going to fit this kind of machine today. And the specific cartridge that this tiny machine has is not going to fit in the new machines today. It's just going to be too tiny for it. But the cartridges and the machines today is going to fit with each other. The way I remember it is thin machines is to thin cartridges and thick machines is to thick cartridges. With so many machines in the market, I hope this will help you remember how to choose your cartridges and your machines. That way, this will also help you avoid buying the wrong machines and wrong cartridges because most of the time, these things are non-returnable. Since I've been showing you guys, let me introduce you to Mast Tour. Now, Mast is a PMU company owned by Dragon Hawk. This brand makes machines for PMU and body tattoo artists. You are going to encounter these kind of machines in the industry where it can be both wireless and a wired machine. And it really all comes down to your preference. There is a lot of machines like this today where there's a battery plug-in so your machine can be wireless. These machines can also be used as a wired machine with a power supply or foot switch. Which leads me to the next machine. This kind of machine, I got this during my Lip Plus training. And as you can see that there is a power supply. There is a lot of different kinds of foot switch and power supply in the market. Machines operated by a power supply looks like this. The power supply, you can use it to turn your machine on and off, adjust the speed. I don't have a foot switch with me because I don't use it, but this is where you can plug it in. But this is a preview of what a power supply and foot switch can look like if you are an artist who wants to invest in a machine like this. And oftentimes, power supplies and foot switch can be used with other machines as well. As you can see here, we have the Mast Tour from earlier. Lastly, we have the Brow Daddy Clio here. This kind of machines is available in the market. They're often thin machines that can take the universal cartridges today. Most of them are rechargeable. You can also purchase an extra battery if you'd like, and they are often operated with a Type-C charger. I hope this video provided some clarity and some insights on the kind of machines that you can purchase, encounter, and use in the market.